Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I already did my brows and I've already primed my lids. First, I'm going to be starting off with the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvias, and I'm going to be taking the shade Burkina to use as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking that dark green and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. Now y'all know I love a cut crease, so next I'm going to be taking the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toffee and I'm going to be cutting my crease. By the time y'all get done watching my videos, y'all should be a pro at cutting y'all crease. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back in with the Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to be using the color Molly to set my crease, but I'm not going to put that all over my crease. I'm just going to do the middle part. Now I'm going to be adding liquid eyeliner. And I'm using the Sumptuous Cream Mascara by Estee Lauder. The foundation that I'm using today is the Idole foundation by Lancome, and this is the number 470. Next, it's time to apply the concealer. The concealer that I'm using today is the Juvias concealer, and this is the number 15. And I'm going to be setting that concealer with the Spun setting powder. Next, it's time to contour. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Contour Palette. The blush that I'm using today is by MAC, and this is the color Fever. Alright y'all, so now it's time to get this thing popping, and I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder highlighter, and this is the shade Solar Crush. The liner that I'm using today is by Estee Lauder, and it is the color Onyx. Okay, so now moving on to the scary side. So first I'm just going to start off by using this glue, And I'm just going to be putting that on my brows so that I can make sure they're down and smooth. That way I can apply the tissue, and so that it won't pull my brows when it's time to apply the liquid latex. Now for this part, you can just apply the liquid latex to your face and just build it up to make it look like skin. But for me, I like to apply tissue. That way it won't really just stick to my face when it's time to take it off. And it also helps to like really look like skin. Okay, y'all, so I had a hard time with applying the liquid latex with the brush. So what I did was just take the end of the brush to smooth it out, because with the brush, it was just making the tissue come up. So make sure y'all get something like a sponge or either a stick to apply and smooth out that latex. Now I'm just taking my scissors to create holes into the liquid latex and the tissue. That way it can look like I have holes and burns in my face. And y'all make sure y'all be careful with this because y'all can really stick yourself with these scissors. Okay, and now I'm just applying this foundation that I used on the other side of my face. And I'm going to apply that to the liquid latex so that everything can look like real. Okay, next I'm going to be using the Kaleidoscope Palette, and I'm going to be taking that red shade to fill in the holes. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking the Morphe Jeffree Star Palette, and I'm going to be using the black shade in that, and I'm going to be making it look like I'm bruised and burned with that black shade. Alright y'all, so to top it all off, I'm going to be using my blood, and that's going to be it, y'all. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also feel free to share this video. And I will see y'all next time.